on to proliferate all over the place.
The county government of Kericho has launched a coffee farming campaign aimed at encouraging farmers in Kipkelion East and Kipkelion West constituencies to embrace coffee farming and diversify their sources of income. Speaking in Mailitano during the distribution of 10,000 coffee seedlings to local farmers, Kericho Governor Eric Mutai noted that Kericho is steadily emerging as one of the top coffee producing regions in Kenya, currently ranking as the 5th highest in the country.
And one of our key intervention that we are putting in place in the entire of Kipkelion East, Kipkelion West, parts of Soinsigawet and parts of Bureti and even Belgood is to identify and map out areas that coffee can do very well. We know that this area of Kipkelion East, coffee as a cash crop has been quite low. They've just been relying on maize. But 2 years ago, when I took over as governor of this county, we have had an intentional drive to have farmers in coffee. And today we have brought in 10,000 seedlings of coffee, but in the larger framework for this entire of this region, we are actually doing more than 100,000 seedlings of coffee, targeting close to 28,000 farmers in Kipkelion East. Our target is to have every household here in coffee.
Families of 3 national police reservists from Igembe North Meru County shot dead last Monday at Merti